Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. You're watching Asma's home recipe and tips. If you are new at my channel, please subscribe to my channel. If you like my video, please share with friend and family. Don't forget to write the comments and thumbs up if you like it. Today I'm going to share with you how to plant honey melon at home. Very easy and simple method. Make sure you must watch the full video and you will be able to plant it as well in your garden. So let's begin. Today I have a few seeds from the melon. I didn't dry them. I'm just gonna plant them. You don't need to plant them too deep. Only plant two seed in a. You can make a hole, one or two seed in each hole. You should make them apart. Don't plant them too close because they grow and get bigger. So plant at least 2 feet from apart and two seed in a one hole. Don't need to plant them too deep. Only 1 inch is fine, otherwise they won't grow. And then water them once or twice a day, and I'll show you the result after a week or 10 days. After 10 days, that's how they are growing. They look like. I'll keep showing you the results, how they are growing. I'm still giving them a water twice a day, and after 2.5 weeks they are like this big. And then I'll show you when they start getting the fruit. It take about 8 weeks. After 8 weeks, see, they are quite big now. They get a flower and the small fruit start coming. So I can show you the close look as well. So as you can see in a video, there is the flower and there is the fruit underneath the flower. So that's the result. So if you're new at my channel, please do subscribe. If you like my video, share with your friend and family. Don't forget to write me your comments. Bye. See you in the next video.